The first step is to restart your computer. Don't skip this step, simply restart your computer, and after the system restart, try launching the game. Next, go to the download section in Ubisoft Connect and click on the play icon next to the game. If you have the game on Ubisoft Connect, click on the 3 horizontal lines on the top left, then navigate to Downloads. Find the game and click on the controller icon to play. Run the game from the Game Installation folder. If you have the game on Ubisoft Connect, go to Games, then Properties, and open the installation folder. Right-click the game exe file, go to Properties, and check Run this program as an administrator. Launch the game from there. If you have the game on Epic Games Launcher, click on the 3 dots on the game icon, select Manage, then click on the folder icon to access the installation folder. Right-click the exe file, go to Properties, check Run this program as an administrator, and launch the game. If the problem persists, try different compatibility modes. Right-click the game exe file, go to Properties, select the Compatibility tab, and try different modes such as Windows 8 or Windows 7. If still facing issues, disable full screen optimization. Right-click the game exe file, go to Properties, select the Compatibility tab, check Disable Full Screen Optimization, and launch the game. If none of the above steps work, uninstall and reinstall BattleEye. Open the BattleEye folder in the game installation directory, uninstall BattleEye, then reinstall it. Launch the game afterward. Do a clean installation of your graphics card driver. Visit the NVIDIA or AMD website, download the latest driver, and perform a clean installation. Restart your computer and launch the game. For laptop users with dual graphics cards, ensure the game runs on the dedicated graphics card. Open Graphics Settings, browse to the game installation folder, and set it to high performance. Allow the game exe file through your antivirus program or Windows security settings. Add the game exe file to the allowed apps list to prevent it from being blocked. Verify the game files in Ubisoft Connect or Epic Games Launcher to ensure no corrupted files are causing issues. Delete the game's config file from the Documents folder to reset settings. Launch the game afterward. Disable overlays and close all overlay and overclocking applications before launching the game. Try launching the game with different DirectX versions by adding launch options in the game properties. If the game launches successfully, set its priority to real-time in the Task Manager for better performance. Lower graphics settings in the game to improve performance, especially if experiencing lag or stuttering. Install Visual C++ redistributable files from the Microsoft website to ensure the game has necessary dependencies. Unplug all external devices and disconnect additional controllers or monitors before launching the game. Perform a clean boot to troubleshoot any conflicting third-party applications that may interfere with the game. Increase virtual memory allocation to enhance performance. Adjust virtual memory settings in system configuration. Update Windows to the latest version to ensure compatibility with the game. Update the system BIOS from the manufacturer's website to address any hardware-related issues. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall the game to a different drive to rule out any installation issues.